In today's video, we will discuss two different examples of how to go straight. We have already discussed this in our previous videos. You can watch it here. Please note that these videos are only for your information and to improve your knowledge of the road. You must practice with your driving school instructor during your road practice classes and always follow their instructions. Here, you need to pay attention to keeping your car in the center of the lane. If you don't know how, watch this video. Do not touch this solid line. Wait for the traffic signal to turn green. If there is a car in front of you during the road test, you can follow it. In some cases, you may be the first car at the traffic signal. We will look at that in the second example. Here, there are no road markings. You should enter only your lane and keep your car in the center of it. Always plan your lane selection according to instructions. Now, let's take a look at the second example, where your car is the first one at the traffic signal. First, stop your car properly while maintaining a safe distance. If you don't know exactly where to stop, watch this video. Wait for the traffic signal to turn green. Let's move. This is your lane. Keep your car in the center of the lane. If you are a student taking road practice classes, pay close attention to these points and make sure you practice them with your instructor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.